Why did you just yawn after seeing someone else yawn? That's not coincidence, it's contagious. Yawning spreads because of mirror neurons. These are brain cells that copy what other people do. They help us learn, connect, and feel empathy. When you see someone yawn, your brain automatically goes, do that too. That's why yawning spreads more between friends, family, and people you care about. So if you yawned just now, your brain is actually being social. Follow for more quick brain facts you'll feel instantly.